Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am trying to solve this Math Olympic problem. So our equation is 2x plus power x plus 1 plus 2 power 3 minus x, that is equals to 17. So let's find out the solution. So our equation is 2 power x plus 1 plus 2 power 3 minus x, that is equals to 17. So I'm using the power method, product of power rule, which is a to the power of n plus m, that will be equals to the same base multiplication method. So this equation become into 2 power x into 2 power 1 plus 2 power 3 into 2 power minus x, that is equals to 17. So again, quotient of power rule. Quotient of power rule, this means if a has negative power, this means 1 divided by a to the power of n, this will be equal. So now put in main equation in above step 2 power x into 2 plus this means that 2 to the power of 3 is become 8 into 1 by 2x here, value x here because minus term here, so that is equals to 17. So further move on, our equation is become 2x into 2 plus 2x into 2 plus 8 divided by 2 of power x divided by 7. So now the next step will be, if I'm let here by let the value of 2 to the power of x, that is equals to u. Now substitute in above equation. So equation become 2 to the power of 2u plus 8 divided by 2 of power x is become u, that is equals to 17. Now take LCM here. So LCM become u, and this is u plus 8 here. So this is divided by 1 here. 1 into 4 2s are 8 u here. So for 1 into 1 into u here. So this is u, not a 4. So 2 into u, 2u square here, that is equals to 17. So u here multiply by u here and multiply by u here. This u and u cancel. So equation is 2u square plus 8, that is equals to 17u. So this is positive, goes equal opposite side. So goes equal opposite side mean negative. So equation become 2u square minus 17u plus 8, that is equals to 0. This is plus, that is minus here. So this is the pure quadratic equation. So this is ax square plus bx term plus c, that is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. So I'm using factorization method. So factorization method is 2u square minus factor is become 2u square. If I wrote here my minus 16 u minus u, that is 8 into 2 16 here, and 16 minus 1. So this is 16 minus 1 is 17, and plus 8 here, that is equals to 0. So take 2u common here, 2u common here, u minus 8 minus 1 common here, u minus 8, that is equals to 0 here. So this is the fact. If I'm trying again common 2u minus 8 here, u minus 8 here common, and this is 2u minus 1, that is equals to 0. This means that our equation become u minus 8, that is equals to 0. So or 2u minus 1, that is equals to 0. So this is negative, goes equal opposite side in positive. So equation is u, that is equals to 8 here, and 2 u, this is minus, goes opposite side mean positive. 1 divided by 2 here, 2 to cancel out, and u is equals to 1 by 2 here. So now we find u value. Now recall the value of u. Recall u, that is equals to 2 to the power of x here. So u is, if I'm put u is equals to 8, so put u 8, that is equals to 2 to the power of x. So 8 is become 2 to the power of 3 is become 8 here, that is equals to 2 to the power of x here. So if base are same, then power will be also same. So we found the value of x, that is equals to x is equals to 3. So now use u, that is equals to 1 by 2. So now use u, put the value of u here. So 1 by 2, that is equals to 2 to the power of x here. So they have power 1 here. So if they jump upside, the power will be negative using the quotient formula. So this means our equation become 2 to the power of minus 1, that is equals to 2 to the power of x. 2 to base are same, then power will be also same. So x, that is equals to minus 1 is our second answer of x. So let's verify whether in solution possible or not. So let's verify at x, that is the value of x is equals to 3 here. So put the value of x is equal to 3 here. So equation is 2 to the power of x is 3 plus 1 plus 2 to the power of 3 minus x is 3 here, that is equal to 17 here. So 17 here, so this means 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 to the power of 3 minus 3 is 0, that is equal to 17. So anything have power 0, that is equal to 1. So and 2 to the power of 4 is become 16 plus 1 17. So 17 is equal to 17. So value of x, that is equal to 3 is satisfactory in main equation. So now put the value of x, that is equals to minus 1 in main equation. So equation become 2 to the power of x minus 1 plus 1 here, because x power is minus 1 here, plus 2 to the power of 3 minus 1 here, that is equals to 17 here. So plus minus 0, my answer, and 2 to the power of 3 minus plus 1 here, that is equal to 17. So anything have power 0 mean 1 plus 2 to the power of 4, that is equal to 17. So 1 plus 16 is equal to 17. So these two values of x, that is x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 3 is satisfactory. So thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.